Hello everyone, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make mushroom pepper fried rice. This is a quick rice recipe and it's really flavorsome and yummy. This is such a simple and quick rice dish that you can make. So easy and so yummy. Now let's see how to make this simple dish. To the pan I'm adding oil. I'm adding extra virgin olive oil. I have everything in high flame. I'm going to add garlic, ginger and green chillies. Next I'm adding capsicum. Now most of the ingredients you have to saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes in high heat. Next I'm adding onions. So I'm sauteing everything in high heat. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm adding mushrooms. To this I'm going to add pepper powder, salt, soya sauce, vinegar, I'm going to saute this. It will take about 3 minutes at least. Now to this I'm going to add the cooked basmati rice. And gently mix this. To this I'm going to add some spring onions. I'm going to fry the rice for about 2 minutes in high heat. So yes guys, the simple mushroom pepper fried rice is done. I'm going to have a taste of it. It's so hot. Oh, perfect, just like you get it in the hotels. So good. Perfect amount of spice and the capsicum, mushroom, perfect combination. Love it. Hope you guys try it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.